Let's see if it starts. No, nothing happens. A Skylift! Wow! So, should we have a look at it and see what's going on? So, first time seeing it in person. So, bought this Skylift on auction. So let's have a look at it, how it is. Control panel. Let's see here under this lid. Oh, here's the pump and another control box, and the vents for the lifts, the hydraulic, different hydraulic functions. Under this, oh, here we have some more things. But yes, hoses, fairly okay. Nothing big. Controls in the basket, so you can up, down, out, in, left, right. Some wires has tape on them there, but it's not looking too bad. It's also okay. Yes, everything looks pretty much okay on this. Looking for the voltage, any indication of what voltage we are at. Electronics box. Can't really see. Oh, it's two different pumps, right? It's one down below and one on top. Yes. Okay, here you have a manual emergency lift. So yes, and the instruction for the emergency lift or emergency lowering. You don't really want to lift. Yes. So let's see if it starts. No, nothing happens. Nothing at all. Oh, you can lift this. Here you have a charger. 24 volts. And a nice charger. Some loose cables here, so that might actually be an issue. Don't know where they go. Here's more loose cables. A lot of relays, but as you can see, fairly simple electronics. So we should be able to figure it out, I guess. Yes. So let's have a look in the battery box. Ah, nothing. Okay, so I need two 12-volt batteries here to start it up.